Solving problems with rational equations. All right, we have the distance is equal to rate times time equation. If we divide both sides by the rate, then we have that the distance divided by the rate is equal to the time. Now, if you can paddle your canoe 6 miles an hour and the speed of the river is 3 miles per hour, then to an observer on the shore, how fast does it appear that you're moving? Well, if you are paddling in the same direction as the river, you'll appear to be traveling faster. If you're paddling in the opposite direction of the river, you will appear slower. Example, it takes 6 hours for a boater to travel 16 miles upstream and 16 miles back. If the speed of the boat in still water is 6 miles per hour, what is the speed of the current? Okay, the total trip took 6 hours, and the speed of the boat is 6 miles per hour. We're looking for the speed of the current. So when they're going upstream, they go slower. So you subtract the speed of the current. When they're traveling downstream, they're going faster. So you add the speed of the current. We can organize the information using a chart and the rate equation. Miles per hour times hours is equal to the number of miles. So going upstream, my speed is 6 minus x. Going downstream, my speed is 6 plus x. The total number of miles is the same for each trip. And recall from the previous page, if the distance is equal to the rate times the time, when you solve for the time, that's equal to the distance divided by the rate. So in this case, the distance divided by the rate is 16 divided by 6 minus x. For the trip downstream, the time is 16 divided by 6 plus x. So this is the amount of time it took to go upstream. This is the amount of time it took to go downstream, the total time is 6 hours. So the equation will be 16 divided by 6 minus x plus 16 divided by 6 plus x is equal to 6. So we're going to multiply each term by the LCD, which is 6 minus x times 6 plus x. Six minus x divided by 6 minus x equals 1. 6 plus x divided by 6 plus x equals 1. All right, then you distribute the 16. These two terms add up to 0. 96 and 96 add up to 192. And then you can divide both sides by 6, and you get 32 equals 36 minus x squared. Add x squared to both sides and subtract 36 from both sides. Factor and set each factor equal to 0. -2 is not possible, so the speed of the current is 2 miles per hour.